If you own several repair shops, AutoWriter Central Service enables you to view the vehicle's service history at all of your locations. From the repair order, click on History, and you will see the services performed at this store. Click on Lookup, and Central Service will display all your stores where the vehicle was serviced. Check the locations, and the repair order summary will display. Select and double-click to view the details of the repair order, including parts, labor, and declines. Or you can click on the Labor History tab to view all jobs performed. Jobs that were declined will be grayed out. And you can click on Parts History. Click on a column heading to sort the display to help you find the information you need. Central Service also makes it easier to start new repair orders. Start the new repair order, and if the customer hasn't been to this store before, use Central Service to locate the customer and vehicle. You now have the customer's name, address, and phone number, along with the vehicle year, make, model, VIN, and license plate, all with just a few clicks.